Hello cuties. Welcome to a food video, cooking with Mish video. I'm gonna be honest, I don't like doing these. I don't like food videos. I don't know what, that's why I don't do them often, but I know that some of you ask if I could do like more food videos, so why not? I don't mean that I'm like, you know, struggling and I'm like, you know, I would rather die than doing this. I don't mean that. It's just that I'm not a fan of the videos. Anyways, today we're making a taco salad. This is what I do when I want tacos, but I want a little less calories because the breads are a lot of calories. I'm eating in a calorie deficit, so that's why I care about calories. I don't have an obsession with calories or anything, so don't worry. I'm just eating in a calorie deficit to try and lose weight. So I'm gonna show you what I do or what I use, so you could try this out if you want to. It's really, really good. So in here I have my minced meat. I don't eat meat, but this is fake meat. It's soy, I believe. One second. I was gonna say that I'm gonna put up a picture here, but I have it right here. This one is unopened. This is the one that I use. I know that Sweden, all of you in Sweden have it. I don't know if it exists anywhere else. It says made in Sweden. I don't know. This one I use, really good. There's also one with, if you don't like soy, or if you don't, it doesn't taste like soy, but if you don't want to use soy, there is a pea version too. Not pea, but like peas. The green little peas. Oh my god, okay. Although a pea version doesn't sound so bad. Piss kink. Anyways, first, I'm gonna put this in the pan. I have a tiny bit of butter. I don't like to use butter really, or any oil usually. I mean, oil is not bad, but I just prefer to not cook with that because I don't really need it. But I like this butter that I use because it adds taste. Like, I know it sounds weird, butter adds taste, but like it's a different kind of butter and it tastes really good. And of course, we can't forget the iconic Swedish taco spice. All Swedes have these in their cabinet. I'm just gonna add, I don't know, I like to add and then I just see how much I want. After this, I add a little bit of water in here to, like, I don't know, it just makes it better. I like to have some water in here. So it's just gonna, you know, warm up. Whilst it's doing that, we're gonna cut the vegetables. Oh my god. Vegetables. You can obviously use whatever you want. This is just what I like to use. We got a cucumber. Maybe I should call him. Avocado, tomato, red onion, Romanian lettuce, and then just this that I had left over. This is a red paprika, not a pepper. Paprika. I usually use something called creme fraiche. Creme fraiche. Sweet. I don't have that now. I usually add it to this because it's really good. It's like this. Just Google. And then also taco sauce. I don't usually use this one. This is from ICA, the grocery stores in Sweden. I use another one, but this is what I have now. It's mild. I don't like strong. I don't like spicy stuff, basically. But I add this into my salad. So, since I am eating a calorie deficit, I obviously count my calories. So, I have this scale. I'm gonna put like a bowl and then add the vegetables in it and then count it on my app. It's an app called LiveSum. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I just wanna, in case anyone's wondering, it's LiveSum. Can you see that? Yeah, you kind of can. Okay, so my daily calories is 1600. I don't know why it says 1638. I can't change it. It says I have to pay for that, which is so fucking stupid. So you can also scan it, like with see this camera. You can scan the codes on the packaging that you're using. For example, this. I can scan this. See? And then it pops up. I'm gonna add a bowl on top of that. I'm gonna show you. Okay, we got a bowl and I put it on 0 so it weighs nothing. Then I add the vegetables in here. And then I weigh it and then I 0 it every time I add my vegetables, basically, to count the calories. Are you kidding me? Do I have to fucking pee? I was gonna say poop. I need to pee, not poop. First of all, we wash our veggies. Well, you wash your hands, but I already did that. If I have more variation of veggies, I add that. I don't have much right now, so I'm using what I got. But this is like the main things that I have. Sometimes I might add, like, maybe if I have like some pea shoots, I think they're called, then I add that, but I don't have anything. So Romanian lettuce. I might get another one, honestly. What are you guys eating today? I'm posting this the same day, so let me know what you're eating today. 48 grams. 0 it. I feel like that the red onion, why is it called red? It's purple. I feel like that the red onion is supposed to eat raw, and then the yellow onion, is it called yellow onion in English? It's a yellow onion. In Swedish it is yellow onion, well in Swedish, but that is supposed to be cooked. I don't know, that's what I feel. By the way, I don't know how to like do this. I'm just cutting my own way. I don't care if it looks bad or whatever. I'm gonna eat it. I don't care. We're not at a restaurant. We're at my fucking house, okay? I usually have a bigger knife though. I don't know why I'm using this one, but it's fine. We work with what we got, even though I have the bigger knife. Oh my god, my eyes. Okay. I feel like this goes pretty quick when I make these. 30 grams? 30 grams? Zero? I'm probably gonna use this whole thing. I like tomato. I'm sorry, but like, there's a lot of people who fucking hate tomatoes, and I think you're immature. I said this in my last video, I think. No, not in my last video. My last cooking video. I think I said that in my last cooking video. I'm sorry, but it's immature, okay? And I stand by that. Nice. 97 grams. Zero. I'm gonna use this whole thing as well. But because I should have cut the onion last. What am I doing? But since I already cut the onion, I'm gonna use another knife for the cucumber, because sometimes Tina tastes the cucumber and she can't eat onion, so neither can these. My rabbit. The paprika. Yummy. Which color paprika is your favorite? Mine is the red, and then yellow or orange. The green one I fucking hate. The green one tastes disgusting. Please, someone... I know, I just said that... Oh my god, I'm such a hypocrite. I just said that it's immature to hate tomatoes, and here I am talking about how much I hate green pepper. Green paprika, sorry. Oh my god. But like, okay, never mind. I still stand by the tomato thing, okay? I'm allowed to not like green paprika, but you're not allowed to dislike tomato, okay? Avocado. Oh, zero it. 40 grams. Avocado. Thanks. I like to go like this. This one is on its last lifeline. Lifeline? I don't know. Go like that, and then I take a spoon. This is my avocado toast spoon. If you guys know, you know. I've used this for years, and I just do that. Perfect. Okay, I forgot to add water to my minced meat. Oh, maybe a little too much. Oopsies. That's fine. 60. Okay, cucumber. I'm gonna wash this. I feel like this is gonna be a short video. So, what I like to do with cucumbers, first of all, I give this to Ninis. I give this to Tina. 1 second. So, I like to use a lot of cucumber. Forgot to zero that. I go like this. Oh, fuck. And then go like this. Perfect, right? Amazing. Fantastic. Wonderful. Sexy. Okay, not perfect, but you know. Honestly, I might add some garlic sauce into this. My dad bought a garlic sauce yesterday that is so fucking good. Not very, you know, calorie friendly, but a little bit is fine. Oh my god. 500 calories per 100 ml. Okay, this one is the best. Well, it's kebab sauce, garlic. Still really fucking good. Okay, cucumber. 92. So we got this in here. I'm just gonna shake this around and then add the meat. And of course you can choose to eat this with the bread or not. I'm doing a salad. Okay, my meat is finished. Usually I have a little bit more, but I had one that was already open and I just used all of that instead. So put it back on the scale and then weigh this one too. I forgot to scan the meat. It is the exact same one as the other one, this one that I showed you. Okay. Oh my god, I did take too little. I want more. It's fine. 170. And then my taco sauce. Calm down. Calm down. Great. This is about... what the hell? 495 calories. I don't think I'm gonna add this. It's It's fine. This one is my autism spoon. We got it. Mixing it around. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh no, actually, the meat was just enough. It's perfect. And yes, I just eat it from this. Oh my god, it's so good. Like, actually, it's so fucking good. This is what it looks like. It looks gross maybe, but it's so fucking good. You guys should definitely try it out. Let me know if you do. It's really, really good. Did it get darker since I started recording? I don't know. I'll take a picture for my thumbnail. Doesn't look very appetizing, honestly. But oh my god, it's good. Okay. That is it. I'm gonna go eat this. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos where I make food, let me know. And if you do try this out, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow my smart channel, make sure you're smart. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. Little Daisy Art, link down below. Everything's linked down below. Just check it out in the description box. I'll see you next video. Okay? Love you, bye.